Okay, well, I have my batteries hooked up for the first time and the lights turned on for the first time, and nice bright white light. Looks like there's a tiny bit of moisture in there, but that's kind of I remember like that can just be drained out or whatever. I did hear a couple little pops after I turned it on, some clicks, some pops, not sure what was up. It looks like all the LEDs are functional though. So just as what I was, hoping, nice, clean, bright light. Um, it's not near dark right now, so won't be able to really see how they work. Um, but they seem pretty bright. Um, hopefully those clicks weren't anything bad. I guess we'll find out. Although, you know what though? It looks like this little half of this piece right here, there's nothing there on both of these. I'm going to assume that's not normal, and I'm going to assume that's probably what popped. I mean, they're rated for 12 to 32 volts, I believe. So I don't know, this side's full of light, this side just has half. Kind of hard to look into that without getting blinded. Anyways, so that's that. Let's see. All right. I got fuel in there. I have everything all hooked up. I'm just gonna go for it. I mean, granted, it's been sitting on top of everything else, but it might take a little bit for the mechanical fuel pump to suck it out of the tank. So, I'm going to crank it for a little bit and then stop and then, kind of a little bit back and forth. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Got this thing delivered on July 1st, and I had to order, parts that were missing and all that good stuff. Huh. So that was expected, but it actually sounded like there was a little bit of fuel in there. Put this. Starter works good, that's a plus. It's not the factory starter. Oh my god. Uh-oh. What happened there? Oh, that's diesel. All right. Well, that actually, so we got a nice little puddle down here. So something happened with some diesel on this side. But I mean, it started to kick over. It actually kind of started to run there for a second even. So yeah, I mean, whew, I might be just fine here. I mean, until it runs, but that was very promising. So I will investigate and see what happened here with the fuel. And that actually got sucked from the gas tank pretty darn quick too. So, all right, I'm gonna stop this and I'll get back with you guys on what I find out.